Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here my March Boxy Charm. I got my little co-host here, Connor. I don't know why she's flipping her wings, she's acting like she wants to go somewhere. And I have my base and my premium. We're just going to get right on into this. I did take a sneak peek in here and I wasn't too wowed by the products that are in the boxes this month. So I don't know. I think this is like when the whole Ipsy thing started, where they joined them. But I'm not sure. I could be wrong. I don't know. But I'm just a couple things that I like in here. But we got here, it's Boxy Charm Planet Woman, because it is a Woman History Month for the month of March. And we're going to start with the item First Aid Beauty. It is the 2-in-1 cleansing oil and makeup remover. It is comical, the simple fact that I actually already purchased this from, oh, hold on one second. Whoo, my lips are on fire. I just used an Ulta lip gloss that is lip plumping, and can I just tell you, holy Toledo, the pain my lips are in, and my phone is going off like crazy. So one second. Oh, let's turn this on silent here and keep on moving with this video. But yeah, I had already purchased this for our Jamaica trip because I wanted to give it a try, and what better way to do is on vacation and see how things go. So I'm happy to have this. This cost $26. Next we have Ace Beauty, the Ultimate Sculpting Face Palette. I don't know. Let me see. Was this something that I was like, I would probably never use? I believe it was. Plus it was a pain in the butt to get into. I'm not going to use that. It's cream bronzing palette. I don't use cream bronzers. I mean, maybe I'll try it. I don't know. I won't say never, but I like more creams during like the summer months. I don't know why, because I like more of a dewier look in the summer, which is weird. Some people don't want the dewy look in the summer, but I like the little sun-kissed glow kind of stuff. Maybe I'll try it. I won't say never. So that is that, and that cost, what was it, 40 bucks? $42. Next we have the Dew of the Gods Feels Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Face Scrub. So yes, this is the packaging. I haven't even showed you the packaging of anything. I'm so awful. And this one is actually packaged in plastic. So let's see if I can get it without having to get scissors, because I forgot them over there, which I always do. Alright. Static. I got it open. Now to get the rest of the plastic off would be great. But anywho. Oop, did I hit you? This is what the packaging looks like right here. It says Feels. It is squalene and oat milk. So what is this? It's a scrub. Like I said, dry erase facial scrub. Now, are you sealed on the inside? I was going to say, don't be sealed right there too, knowing that you just had it. And that's the packaging. I'm sure it's got the little seal on the inside too. Yes, it does. So I'm not opening that. We'll give that a go. That is costing $30. Next we have Koa Life. It's Niacinamide Booster. So it's probably like a serum. It is. It's a serum. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a pretty little glass bottle. It's really pretty. It kind of has like a, it's white. Never mind, it's not kind of. It's white. I thought it was like a pale blue. And it's not. That is $35, and it's brand new to Boxy. Next we have Bellafine Argent Tinted Lip Balm. Belle and Argent. I don't know. Belly. I don't know. It's a tinted lip balm. It's $18. It's brand new to Boxy. And this is what the packaging looks like. Who else has packaging that looks like this? Is it TYNT? And kind of looks a little bit like a Fenty thing. This is what it looks like. I was going to expect like a gray. That is the color. Kind of matches my shirt. And that's the shade. And it's like an orangey sun-kissed color. Don't know what that's going to look like on the lips, and I am not putting that on there. So that's it for that box right there. We're going to move on to the premium box. Again, the card says Planet Woman. Sorry, I was looking at this card here. I have no idea. It's just talking about basically the Ipsy and Boxy Charm joining, which I don't know how I feel about that. But first, we're going to go with Mally Beauty, the Best Dressed Lids, Neutrals, and Bolds. 14 Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadows. So, oh, jeez. She's right here again. She doesn't know how to stay on top. It's pretty packaging, pretty pink. And we have, let's open this. But the inside part is not pink like that. The colors are pretty neutral and not bad in coloring. I feel there probably should be, I don't know, a couple more mattes than like shimmers at all. Like they don't, yeah, I don't know how they're going to be. So let's swatch this one. I mean, they blend nice. I mean, they blend it nicely, but we'll see. I've never had tried any eyeshadow palettes from this brand at all. My ear is starting to itch. What doesn't itch when I'm on here? Like, seriously? It's my nose. It's something around here. This time it's my ear. It's itching. $45 for that little eyeshadow palette. Connor, really? Fix yourself, girlfriend. All right, next we have what, Gold Fatten MD. It is the Detox Hydrating Gel BHA Skin Balancing Moisturizer. Where are we at? Here he is. It's just a plain white with green with a, looks like little foam pump dispenser here. I don't want to do it because I don't want to start things coming up and then bacteria get in there. This is this cost, what is that? $88 for this. All right. Next we have here Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Fix yourself back there, chick. She just attacked me. Horrible girl. And that's the packaging there. And it's actually really cool. I like that. That's really nice. And she's going to go back in there and then she's going to start attacking my neck, which she just got them doing. And I had to just chill out in there. Chill, girl. All right. That cost also, oh no. Also 88. Oh, that's $89. Next we have here LaRousse Beauty is the Christine set. And this is the second time I've received this in Boxy Charm. I don't use these brushes at all anyway. So I have a whole set up there. And now I have another set. So maybe this will go to somebody because I don't use these at all. I have my own like brushes that I use. But that's these here. I mean, who knows? Maybe I'll give them away instead of me keeping on to something that I don't use. And that cost $50 for those little bits of brushes. Next, we have Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. Love Glow Recipe. If you guys have seen my other boxies, I'm so excited when I get them. Anything from them. So, of course, you know, they're pretty little packaging. Watermelon on here. And it just looks like a little lipstick bullet with, like, that's it. Like a little lip gloss thing here. Just not going to show anything. Yeah, it doesn't show anything. It's like a Vaseline look. But let me see. I love their smells of watermelon. He smells like watermelon. So, it smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher. That's all I'm going to say, because that was my favorite, was the watermelon Jolly Rancher. Man, she's horrible. So that was $22. Next we have the... Let me go read this instead. It is the La Palette Beauty, and it is the Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. So I'm guessing this is, it's a vitamin C cleanser to help brighten skin while removing debris and makeup. And this is $32. Of course, it's completely sealed with a little sticker. I'm trying to get it off. Got it. And it's nice and yellow. And that's it. Of course, it should be sealed. And it is. And that is it in the Boxy Charm. So really not much that I'm like so excited to try at all in here. I'm hoping that since they combined, that we're not going to see more of the lower quality items that they were having back when I was even getting Ipsy. Because I used to get Ipsy when, and then they changed it to where it was like the bigger packaging of Ipsy, where you can get like the full size products. I was doing like the sample size stuff. And the movement is this bird inside my shirt. She makes it look really flattering on camera. Now I just look like I have really extra large breasts over here. So that's everything I have in this video. So let me know what you guys got in your Boxy Charms this month. If you use any of these items that are in Boxy Charm that I received, just comment anything, like it, like the video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.